Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today, you and me, we do a fun session today. I like to do with you how we're doing a Weisswurst breakfast. Now, Weisswurst breakfast, seems very simple, but you have to know all the tricks of the trade. So if you stay with me all the time, I show you a few other hints and tips and tricks all the way along, right? So first of all, of course, we need a good Weisswurst, which is a pork sausage, right? White, obviously this means because it's white, there's no nitrate in it, so that's why it's not red. Simple. But I mean, so first thing first, we're having our Weisswurst sausage. We need a pot of simple water with probably a teaspoon of salt in it. We bring it to a soft boil. We immerse our Weisswurst in this water, very easy. Reduce the heat to only simmering point, and we're putting the lid back on, so easy as it is, right? And yes, we're putting our timer on, not that we get distracted, say 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, we have this on low, 2.5, simmering. So in 12 minutes, we see us again. So this is the first step, so easy, right? So see you shortly. So our Weisswurst, they're now in the water, simmering water for 12 minutes. Yeah, and now of course, the most important thing comes, yeah, we have to put them in a beautiful, call it Weisswurst pot or a terrine, right? Has to be like that, 100%. Yeah, look at this one. I just imported it, only for that show. All right, here we go. Now we're taking our sausages, yeah, putting them nicely here in there. Oh, it smells already good. Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. Here it comes. Hopefully somebody has a beer cold. All right, now we put them in the pot. All right, now we have to, obviously, because they cool down very quickly. Yeah, so we make sure we're taking some of this hot water and pour it all over the sausages. So when this goes then to the breakfast table, so when my guests are there and you're taking 1, 2, 3 sausages, they're always nice and hot. Yeah, that's what we want. I mean, a cold Weisswurst will not fly. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, beautiful. They're nicely immersed in the hot water, so we don't have to worry about this one. We're putting the lid back on, yeah. And then I see you shortly on the breakfast table. Okay, see you out there. Okay, everybody. Now I cannot take this opportunity to join my guest for this Weisswurst breakfast, right? So here we go. Please come over here to our Weisswurst breakfast table and we continue the Weisswurst eating education. Here we go. Come here. All right. So, servus.
Servus.
Yeah, here's one of my guests. Yeah. How about a beer?
At least first the beer and then the Weisswurst.
That's very good. All right. Let's see if the beer is coming on. Oh, yeah, very good, very good.
It's a beer.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's the first thing. First of all, Weisswurst breakfast ideally should be between 10 and 12 noon. But I mean, we can do it all day long. We are not that fussy. Okay? So when we pour a Weiss beer, you know, a Hefeweizen, you make sure you tilt this glass, you put this neck quite deep in, right? So watch it face. And as the beer level goes on the glass, you pour your bottle back. Watch it, yeah. Here we go. And now we have nearly everything in. Sometimes you have a little bit set in a base. Yeah, you just swirl it a little bit around, and we continue because we want to obviously get a little bit of, a foam, right? Here we go. So, beautiful. Like my friend, you know, he's the expert. Yeah. And then when you're in Bavaria and you have this beer, these glasses, when you toss the glasses, you know, for a Prost, this is with this base. That's what we do it. All right, Prost.
Zum Wohle.
Zum Wohl. Jawohl. I know this is information overdrive, but you must know this one. This is essentials. Otherwise, you get kicked out of the beer fest in Munich, you know, or in the Wiesen, right? In
Biergarten.
In Biergarten. Very simple. In Munich, you know, in the Augustiner Keller. Yeah, very easy. But now next, we're waiting for the Weisswurst.
It's coming.
Where is it? Weisswurst? Ah, here, we need a Weisswurst. Very important. But as you can see already, this table for the Weisswurst, other essentials.
Mahlzeit.
Thank you, thank you. Other essential is definitely you must have sweet mustard, right? So this is the first thing is you got a big good flap there on your plate. The butter goes with the pretzel, not so essential, right? We can go without it, but maybe. Yeah. All right. I think the Weisswurst, they're looking damn good and damn hot.
They look beautiful.
Right?
Can't wait.
I mean, I can smell it over here.
Thank you very much.
Here we go. Just have one at a time, please. Yeah.
I know you're watching.
All right. Okay. Now with the Weisswurst, sorry to use my hands, right? So there's a few eating etiquettes. Yeah. Some they just cut off the tip a little bit here, right? And then they dip it in the mustard and they chew the mince out of the skin, right? We're not doing this, right? So we are a little bit more educated today, only today, because it's live on camera. Other ones can do, we're doing a cut like that, right? And then ideally, if the camera can get this one, so we cut it to the skin, we take this one and peel the sausage off. Don't forget the sweet mustard. Don't forget the sweet mustard. Ah, you can go.
Can go?
Yeah, they're good. They're hot. Yeah. Pretzel? Chef, you got a pretzel?
Definitely.
Yeah. Here we go. Have half of mine.
Dankeschön.
Yeah. So really, ladies and gentlemen, Weisswurst Breakfast Down Under. You know, it's only happening here live on stage for you. If you want to know more about this beautiful setup, about the glasses, about the terrines, about anything else, write me a few lines, you know, and I hook you up. Okay, but most importantly, I mean, normally we don't do advertising, but Weihenstephan is not a bad beer, right? Comes of course as well from very close to Munich, you know, the main city. Actually, did you know Weihenstephan Brewery, I think is the oldest brewery, not in Munich, worldwide.
No.
Just Google it. I hope I'm right. But I mean, I tell you what, there's so many good beers, right? For us, they taste all
We
good,
don't
right?
run out of beer.
I mean, this one or that one. Yeah. As it's long, we start after 10. Now it's 10 past 10. Here we go. Easy. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time, Weisswurst Breakfast.